Ready? Ready? Get her, Meek Meek. Get her. Get her. Get her. Make her fall.
Which one should I take?
I like how small the chairs are now.
Do you want one?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Sure?
Sure.
They are pretty small. Hi, Mimi. You don't have a snowsuit on?
No, I don't have one.
There's a black one in the closet.
It's Mommy's and Daddy's.
But Mommy said that we could use it.
Foot rest.
Mika! Mika! Who wants a piece of ice? Mika! Why is she? She's thinking. She's looking at herself.
What the hell are they getting?
I have no clue.
I think they're just eating the snow. Wait, she got something. It's a bone. She dug up a bone.
Mimi!
How the
Wait,
hell
what
did
kind
she
of bone
smell
is
it?
that?
I think like a rib bone.
They're not allowed to have her bones.
Well, I don't know. It's pretty big. It's not like...
Okay, they're allowed to have it.
What are you looking for? You looking for your own bone? Huh? Huh?
I'm gonna do a cartwheel in the snow. Ready?
Okay. Get her, Meek Meek.
Ready?
Meek Meek, get her.
No. Wait a second. No. Ready? She knows.
Yeah. Yeah, get her.
Ow! You're biting me now. No!
Maybe it was her the whole time. And you just thought one was... Yeah?
Bad girl! You don't bite! No!
So you blamed the wrong one. How mean. Come here. Come here. Come here, Meek Meek. Meek Meek. Cute, cute, cute. Hi. Hi. Look at the camera. No, don't attack me. No attacking. No, no. No. Look. Look.
Sassy's phone! Okay, get up, quickly. Get up! I'm holding him back.
It's her. She attacked me.
Ready, Mom?
Turd butt.
Someone's gonna have to come save me.
Yeah, just let me see it.